amazing how often people convince themselves not to follow the dream, the goal, the vision, or whatever it may be, or not even take the first step and make the decision. And usually it comes down to a few things. And the one for you, dear Virgo, is the only one that we're going to talk about today. And that is how you convince yourself that it's not possible, right? Because of your circumstances. This is the issue. So you convince yourself based on your circumstances, the vision or the dream that's come to you, that is clear to you, isn't going to be possible for somebody like you. And then you just put these dreams and these visions away. Once my circumstances change, then I can probably look at that vision. I can pull it out of the drawer and start looking at it and making different decisions. But that's not how things work. And that's not how circumstances shift and change. I'm going to say something to you that's going to be, it's actually very difficult to do, right? What you want to do is focus on the vision, the dream, as a here and now experience, and operate from that regardless of what your circumstances look like right now. It's very difficult to do because everything in you is going to go against it. Every thought that has some form of power over you is going to go against your ability to do this by showing you and proving to you constantly what your circumstances look like. But look at your circumstances. You don't have the money, or you don't have the power, or you don't have any of these things. Because you don't have it, then you can't bring this vision to fruition. It's going to come at you from every angle you can imagine. Your job is to let it be there and then continue focusing your attention on that vision, the dream, in the here and now.